How you doing? Fran Toomey here with Canterbury Woods Creations. I want to create a quick video regarding Rubio Monocoat because I've had a lot of questions from customers and potential customers about how protective it is of the wood compared to, say, a polyurethane or a lacquer. I'm just going to test out some sitting water on the next couple of clips and you can see the difference with them. Thanks. Here's a sample little piece of hickory that I sanded down to 150 grit and put Rubio Pure on it. Let it sit for 7 days and dry and harden. And now I'm pouring some water, just plain water, on it and letting it sit there for about a minute. I want to see what really happens. Most of the time, people will clean up a mess or anything that they spill on the wood, quicker than within a minute. But I thought a minute is a good time to see what's going on. You can also fast forward through the video too if you don't want to wait the minute, but I want to make sure that people don't think that I'm doing anything magical. Okay, so it's been about a minute. I'm going to start wiping off the water, just using regular paper towels, nothing special. Trying to get it dry there. Uh, yeah. I don't know if you noticed this or not before, but there's a little bit more of a sheen on the side that has the oil now. If you look, you can see kind of the sheen from the Rubio, but there's no damage to it. I then flipped the piece over, which you'll see right here actually, and poured some water on. This piece is actually, there's no protection on it, all just plain hickory wood. Um, you can see it kind of pooling. You can see some discoloration at the top left corner. That's from water getting underneath of it when I put water on the Rubio side. So you can see it's in the grain because it spilled over. As you notice, the water is changing colors a little bit because it's getting into the wood, which, with water, it'll dry out, but, imagine if it was coffee or wine or something like that. The things I've seen with poly and lacquer, too, are people that don't protect it using coasters. There ends up being issues with, heat marks or water marks. So even if you do use lacquer or polyurethane or something like that, it's always recommended to use coasters. Now I'm about to wipe off the wood here using regular paper towels again. As you can see, I'm trying to wipe it off, but it's getting to other parts of the wood. It's getting to the grain of that wood. There's no protection there. I'm going to try to show you up close the difference. Again, with water in this piece, it will dry out pretty quickly and not do a lot of damage, but just imagine if this is a dining room table um, I use. But you can see the difference between the Rubio, which is the other side, and now this natural hickory piece of wood, the difference with the protection and the sheen of it. If you have any questions or anything regarding Rubio, please reach out. I'm going to put some links below as well as my contact information. Thanks for watching.